OpenAI is acquiring Windsurf. That's right, my fellow Vibe coders. One of the greatest tools on the market for turning somebody who knows nothing about code into a junior, if not a intermediate or senior developer. Windsurf, which is my most used AI coding tool, is being acquired. Codeium, the parent company, agreed to a deal this morning to become part of OpenAI for $3 billion. Now, Windsurf was already a fantastic tool, but now that they have access to the OpenAI ecosystem, proprietary technology, and a hell of a lot of money, I foresee very, very soon OpenAI will have something that rivals Cursor, that rivals what we saw in Windsurf before, an extremely powerful AI coding assistant driven by the leading AI tool on the market, that of course being ChatGPT. So this is massive news. $3 billion is a lot of money. We've seen a couple of major acquisitions in the AI space already, and I don't think it's slowing down anytime soon. I will be posting more content about this acquisition, about what Windsurf will look like in the future, and hopefully even making some videos of me playing around with the new tool once it gets powered up, possibly rebranded by the team over at OpenAI. But I'm excited about this, so give me a follow, toss me a sub if you're watching this on YouTube, and let's see what happens. But either way, big day for Vibe coders. Big day.